Welcome back, students. So to find out the follow, so we already discussed how to find the first, calculate the first in a particular grammar. Okay, if you want to find out the follow for a particular symbol, okay, uh, here for follow we need to check whether the grammar, the symbol is available in right hand side. For calculating the first, we need to check the left hand side. For calculating the follow, we need to check the right hand side here. So F is a starting symbol, okay? Then just include dollar in follow of S. Any starting symbol, just include the dollar symbol in the follow. And here two things we need to check, that is equal to if A is alpha B beta, okay? So here like this production is there. Suppose if we are calculating, always I said we need to check it out the right hand side. Okay, right hand side B is available. Suppose if you are following the for finding the follow for B, so just check B is following beta. Okay, so B is following beta though, so we need to include the first of beta in follow of B. Okay, if it is following, just we need to include the first of beta in the follow of B. And one more thing we need to check if it is nullable. Okay, if it is nullable variable. Otherwise, if B is not following anything here, if B is not following anything, our beta is nullable. Okay, it is a production, beta is nullable, then we need to include the follow of A in follow of B. These are the two things we need to check. Two conditions are there for finding the follow. So first, in starting symbol, include the dollar. If you want to find out the production, if B, this is the variable. If you want to find out the follow for B. So here, if it is following B, okay, fine. Just include the first of beta here in follow of B. Okay. If it is following nothing, if it is nullable, then include the follow of A in follow of B. Okay. So with example, we will look at how to calculate the follow here. Okay. So here example of follow. Here I already told if you are calculating the follow, we need to check whether the grammar is available in right hand side or not. Okay. So here I'm taking, we will calculate follow here. So follow, so follow for what we are calculating? All the variables. Okay, that means capital letters. What are the capital letters here? First we need to calculate E. Follow, we want to calculate for E. Okay, so according to the first rule, E is a starting symbol, so in dollar will be included in follow. So dollar will be included in follow. That is the first thing. Okay, next check it whether the right hand side where will be the follow is available. Mother E is available. Okay, right hand side means E dash, E dash. Okay, here E is available. Okay, here E is available. So E is following what? E is following this one, closing bracket. Okay, so include the first of this one. Okay, closing bracket first is, it is not a variable. Okay, so it cannot expand more. Okay, it is just a terminal. Terminal first is terminal only. Okay, so include this first. Include first of this. So here with this is alpha, this is B, what we are finding the follow, and this is beta. According to the first rule, okay, the first of this beta will be including in the follow of E. So what is the first of this? This is same only. Okay, dollar symbol, and this one will come here. Okay, and this is also not a nullable variable, nullable, because nullables are only variables only. This is a terminal, we cannot null it. Okay, so here this is not nullable. So what will be the follow of E? We can get only dollar and closing bracket. Okay, got it? So according to the first rule, there will be three rules are available in while calculating the follow. The first rule is include the dollar. Okay, included. If second rule, if it is following something, include the first of beta. Okay, first of beta we included. If it is a nullable third rule, there will be not existing the third rule. If it is not following, if it is nullable, not following anything, include the follow of A. So it is not existing. Third rule will not be existing for E. Okay. So just we'll check it. And for E dash, we will check whether E dash, what will be the follow for E dash. Okay. How can we calculate the follow for E dash? So just E dash where it is available in right hand side. Okay, this is available here. Okay, and this is also available here. Okay, two productions. So first we will calculate for the first production. What is the first production? This will be the first production. So E dash is following anything here? No, nothing it is following. Okay, E dash is following nothing. So E dash is following nothing means include the follow of E. According to the third rule, include the follow of E. Okay, if it is not following anything, include the follow of E. So what are the follow of E? So dollar and closing bracket. So just include it, dollar and closing bracket. Okay, dollar and closing bracket. And remaining, according to this first production, we got this only. Okay, and here also same, it is not following nothing, so include the follow of E dash. So E dash follow already we find out that is dollar and this one. Okay, so this will be the follow of E dash. Okay, next we will check it for the finding the follow of T. Okay, for finding the follow of T. Okay, where it will be T is presenting here. Okay, I will take one more color, then we'll blue. Okay, so T is here only. Okay, here, and where it is here. Okay, so from the first rule, from the first production rule, we need to find out T follow. T is following E dash. Okay, T is following E dash. Okay, so E dash include the, according to the second rule, okay, include the first of E dash. So what is the first of E dash? We know already first of E dash is equal to plus comma epsilon. Okay, here the rule is don't include epsilon, only include first plus only. Exclude the epsilon, and instead of including this, substitute here. So what is the first of E dash? Just include plus. So just include plus here. Okay, and substitute this epsilon here. So while substituting this, this is a null variable, it will be vanished. Okay, it will be vanished. So T is following nothing here. So what will be the, according to the third rule, if T is following nothing, okay, include the follow of E. So what is the follow of E? Dollar and closing bracket. So dollar and closing bracket will be included in T. Okay, so according to the first rule, the first production, T is following E dash. So include the first of E dash. First of E dash, what is the first of E dash? E dash is equal to plus comma epsilon. Okay, epsilon don't include, only include plus. So plus I have included. So instead of including this, just to substitute here. So by substituting the epsilon, this will be vanished. Okay. So T is following nothing. So include the follow of E. So according to the third rule. Okay. So follow of E, what is follow of E? Dollar and closing bracket. So dollar and closing bracket. Okay. So these three will be included in T from the first rule. Second rule, what is the second rule? Here also from the first production. From the second production, T is following same E dash. Okay. For include the first of E dash, already we have included, and by vanishing this, T is following nothing, include the follow of E dash. Include the follow of E dash also same, that is dollar and closing bracket. Okay, so here already we have included it. Okay, and next, while finding the we want to find out that is T dash. Okay, we want to finding the follow of T dash. Okay, so T dash is available where it is available, just I will erase it. So T dash is available where it is, just I will erase it. Okay, okay. just T dash is available here only. Okay, it is available here and it is available here. Okay, and just T dash is following nothing. So include the follow of T according to the third rule. So what is the follow of T plus and dollar and closing bracket? These three will be included according to the third rule. And here also it is not following anything T dash. Okay, T dash is following nothing, so include the follow of T dash. So same plus dollar and this one. Okay, and at last we need to find out the follow of F. Okay, we need to find out the follow of F. So how can we find out the follow of F here? So just look at it. Follow of F, how can we find out? So just check it out whether right hand side F where it is available. Okay, here it is available F and here it is available. Okay, F is following T dash. Okay, and here T dash is nullable. That also we need to remember. First of all, F is following T dash, include the first of T dash. So what is the first of T dash? So it is, we can check it with the table also. Here we can directly find it out. So this is star and epsilon. So don't include epsilon, only star we need to put. Okay. So include the first of T dash and epsilon we just substitute, it will be vanished. So TF is following nothing, include the follow of T. So what is the follow of T? Plus dollar and this one. So plus dollar and this one. Okay, plus dollar and this one according to this rule. Okay, this production rule completed. Now according to this production rule, F is following T dash. Include the T dash first. T dash first. What is T dash first? Already we knew. That is star we already included. And epsilon we substitute the epsilon, it will be vanished. Include the follow of T dash. What is the T dash follow? Plus dollar and closing bracket. So these we already included. So like this we can find out the follow. Okay, hope you understood. This is all what it is. See, so dollar and closing bracket, these are all we already find out. Okay, so here a more example here I have given for first and follow. Consider the production. Okay, consider the production here, what we are going to do. So here A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. What is the first? First of A. So first of A, this is directly producing A, directly producing D, H. This is a terminal. It is not producing anymore. So first is A, D, J. This is a very simple problem. And here calculate the first and follow for the given grammar. Okay. So here first S is producing directly. While calculating the first, we need to check S is present in the right hand, and that is left hand side. Okay, so here only one production. So S is giving only A. Okay, so what is the first of S? A. Completed. Okay, and what is the first of B? B is producing C. Okay, nothing more. So B is C. Okay, and what is producing C? C is producing B and epsilon. Okay, C is producing B and epsilon. What is D? It is producing, D is producing E. Okay, just go to the E, G. Okay, G is producing, so we are getting G only, and it is also producing F. So by F we are getting the F. And here one more thing we need to do. Here both are null variables. Okay, both are null variables. That's why D is also producing epsilon. Okay, both are null variables. E also null variable, F also null variable. Using the nullability, that is D is also null variable. It is also indirectly producing null. So first of D is equal to G, F and epsilon. So null variable it is also producing. Okay. And first of E it is producing G and epsilon, and first of F it is producing F and epsilon. Okay. So this is clear. And for follow, if you want to calculate, it is a starting symbol, just include the dollar, because in right hand side there will be no S production. So nothing we need to calculate for the follow of S. Okay, so dollar we already included. So now follow of B we want to calculate. Follow of B we want to calculate. That means B is present here. B is present here, and here using here I'm taking this, and B is present here, and B is following what? D. So include the first of D. So what is the first of D here? First of D is equal to GF epsilon. So don't include epsilon, only GF you just include. So here G you have included and F you have included. Okay, and epsilon just to substitute here. So while substituting the epsilon, D will be vanished. So B is following what now? It is following H. So include the H here. So here we have included H also. And nothing, H is a terminal. We cannot go furthermore. Okay. So the follow of B is equal to GFH. While C, just one second I will tell you. B is following D, and what is the D first? First of D is equal to GF epsilon. So we included GF here, and epsilon we substituted here. Substitute, if you're substituting here, it is vanished. Okay, B is following H. So just write it down. H is, so H also we included here. Okay, next follow of C we want to find out. In right hand side C, here it is and here it is, two productions, and C is following where it is, C is following what? C is following nothing. Okay, so according to the third rule, include the follow of B. If C is following nothing, include the follow of B. So what is the follow of B? Already we know GFH, we included here. Okay, and according to this rule, say this production, C is following nothing, include the follow of C. So follow of C already we found out, that is GFH. So GFH. Okay. So if you are finding the D is available in this production here only. So D is following what? It is following H. So just include the first of H. It is the terminal. First is H only. So D, follow of D is equal to H only. Okay. So follow of E is equal to where it is E. E is following F. Include the first of F. First of F is equal to F. Okay. So we included it F only here and here, and F is epsilon also, so substitute the epsilon here. So epsilon, if you're substituting, it is following nothing. So the follow of D is equal to H. So we have included H here. Okay. While finding the follow of F, it is just finding the follow of F. F is here only. Okay. In right hand side, it is nothing, it is following. So include the follow of D according to the third rule. Okay, so here I have included the follow of D, that is equal to H. Okay, so like this we will find out the first and follow by calculating these two. So hope you understood the lecture, and in the next we will see in the next lecture we will see how to construct a parser, LLR parser.